Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the first part of this OBS Studio course video series. In this first part, we will discuss the basic usage of OBS Studio and the installation. Let's begin. OBS is a free software that is used for It's mainly used for streaming. It's basically help user to select or compile a number of input sources. Okay, that include audio. Okay, this include visual input, right, and also any other multimedia from a user, and OBS will help the user to compile it into one single screen, and then OBS will either the output for the OBS is either a video recording. You either record video using OBS, or you can stream directly to the internet. Okay, the streaming apps that supported by OBS included YouTube, right, the famous one. We have Facebook also supported by OBS, and we have Twitch and much more. Okay, in this course we will mainly cover these two kind of outputs. Okay, before you start installing and using OBS, there are some things that you have to consider. Okay, let's say it's a checklist. Okay, the first one is you have to make sure your laptop or PC is up to the performance is okay lah. It's not too slow. Okay, at least for me, I think at least you should have 8 gigabit of RAM to make sure your OBS runs smoothly lah. I think the most recent laptop and PC have 8 gigabyte of RAM. Okay, I think the next one is you should have at least a webcam lah. Okay, webcam to operate, right? The other things are optional equipment that you can consider. For example, is the drawing tablet. This one, if you are teaching something that requires drawing or your teaching style, you love to teach using pen and paper, I highly suggest you use a drawing tablet like this one. This is Huion H420, for example. I will leave the link for this equipment, okay, in the description, inshallah. Okay, H420. Okay, other thing, you can consider using a good quality microphone also. Okay, because if you are trying to create a good video, I think the main thing is you have a good audio also. Okay, if you don't have clear voice, you don't have clear audio quality, I don't think your audience will enjoy your content, even though you have a very good visual material. Okay, so I think it's worth to invest a good quality microphone. Okay, I will also leave the link for the microphone that I'm using. This is from, I think it's Boya. Okay, I will leave if you are interested to buy it lah. I'm not promoting lah this thing. Okay, I will leave the description in the leave the link in the description. Okay, right. I think this is some of the, if you don't have microphone, okay, I can also, you guys consider using the earphone with the mic also. Sometimes the mic is quite clear lah, compared to the one that you have in the laptop. Okay, so I think this is some of the would say hardware. Okay, the hardware that you need to run OBS Studio is not much. I think most of us already have this kind of thing. Yeah, if you have all this if you have all this, I think you can start installing and start using the OBS Studio, inshallah. Okay, I think I will share some of the simple steps for installing OBS Studio. When you open your browser, you can just simply type OBS Studio on the search bar here, right? The first thing that come up in the Google, you can click on it, the OBS Open Broadcaster software. Okay, right, so you can select the one that you are using. Most of us using Windows, right? So you can click on this, give it a moment. Okay, say here, thank you for downloading OBS Studio. Okay, it's automatically downloaded here, right? Okay, I think that's it. When your download is done, you can just click on the file and follow the instruction for installation. I think the icon will be there on your desktop. You can just run it, and we'll see in the next video for your first OBS Studio experience, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.